The cosmos. Reach deep into the secrets of the universe for evidence of life from other galaxies. Are we alone? Join us now as we take you on a fantastic
Universe and View program terminated. Access granted for MIB training.
Hurry up, rookies. We haven't got all day. Come on, hustle! Time's a waste, scrubs.
Ooh, I love taking aliens.
Move it or lose it! Doors are closing! Greetings, rookies. Ted here. Sorry about this 20 feet park nonsense. Welcome to MIB Agent 3. Find out if you're the best of the best. But don't get your hopes up. This ain't no cakewalk.
This is what I really want to happen. I don't want to be a
Attention. Agents E and I. Agent O will now meet you in mission debriefing. Once again, to mission debriefing. That's Agents E, I, O. Correction. Agent E, please report before Agent I and after Agent C. Agent M, please pick up a white courtesy video phone. Attention. All available agents, immigration process.
Created by the MIB with the sole purpose of misleading the public. To make it think alien contact was rare at best, or confined to pipe plates glued together. To keep your eyes toward the sky and not here on Earth, where you might find this. Real alien spacecraft hiding in plain sight all around the globe. Being an icon of the World's Fair, the Great Pyramids of Giza, or even the Washington Monument. Alien spacecraft are everywhere on this planet, ready to launch at any time. In fact, one of our MIB shuttles is scheduled to blast off later today. Inside this transport ship is a rather nasty gang of alien criminals that we've rounded up for deportation to prison planet LV-428.
Hey, Sid, this is Agent H, reporting from shuttle control.
How goes the launch preparation, H?
Not sitting well with the Mercurian government, sir. Our shuttle trajectory cuts right through their atmosphere.
Can't say I blame them. Let's reroute them through Sector 12.
Now, I know what some of you must be thinking. If all these aliens is running all over the place, how come I haven't seen none? Well, say hello to my little friend.
Standard issue MIB neuralizer.
It's like dry cleaning for your brain.
Attention all MIB trainees. Welcome to agency control and the Alien Immigration Processing Center. During your training, you will be reminded to identify the member and the emergency light. Don't push that red button unless it's an emergency. If you see the opposite vehicle full of aliens, zap their flashing fusion exhaust port to make them spin. And be sure to return your zapper to the holster when finished. When training with the Men in Black, don't be a doofus and make sure you do right.
Initiating MIB surveillance feed. Final training vehicle systems check in progress. The vehicle seats 6 passengers, 3 when instructed.
Begin training simulation.
Heads up, hot shot. This is Agent J. Time to see what you're made of. Oh, and that red button? Don't even dream of it. That's how to shoot. It's not gonna get you a suit. Let's go. Let's go.
Emergency. Training sequence aborted.
Hold your fire! A shipment of alien bad guys has crash landed smack dab in the middle of Mad Max.
Weapons energized to full power.
Everybody hit the streets. This is not a drill. Your eyes open. Just about anywhere. Looks like they're packing some serious heat. Time to roll up the welcome mat and show these misfits what we're made of. Getting a bit hairy. Better split up.
6 against 1, huh?
It's an ambush.
Yeah, that's what I call MIB material.
Just got a report that some bugs have infested the MIB fleet.